we're going to put a fun and tasty twist on shrimp summer roast. It's a game changer and takes them to the next level. Just stick around to the end and see how delicious they are. Here we have some large and peeled shrimp. We're going to incorporate shrimp nigiri sushi style with our summer roast. I'm sure your friends and family will be impressed. Soak the bamboo skewers in water for about 5 minutes. It will make the whole process a lot smoother. From the head side of the shrimp, just pull out the intestinal tract without peeling off the shell. Easy, right? Now from the bottom part of the shrimp, insert the skewer from the front to the tail. And do the same with the rest. Why are we doing this? By doing so, the shrimp won't corrode up while boiling them. You'll see. In a pot of water, over high heat, bring it to a boil. Transfer the shrimp skewers inside. Boil for about 2 minutes until completely cooked through. Trust me, your patience will pay off at the end. Transfer the shrimp in cold water to stop cooking. Drain. Remove the skewers from each shrimp. Peel off the shell. By the way, talking about patience, did you know it is considered a virtue deeply rooted in traditional Chinese culture? From the bottom side of the shrimp, cut it open without cutting all the way through. Ta-da! They look amazing, isn't it? And do the same with all of them. To make the dipping sauce, add the hot water, sugar, fish sauce, lime juice, garlic, and red finger hot peppers. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Prepare a plate of water. Dip the rice paper in it for about 2 seconds. Add the lettuce, bean sprouts, garlic chives, cucumber, mint leaves, and cilantro. If you like, you could also add some rice vermicelli inside. Fold the size of rice paper inward and roll it about halfway. Add 2 pieces of shrimp on it. Roll it up all the way. Cut it in half at the center. And do the same with the rest. Wow, look at our tasty, vibrant, and beautiful summer roast. All the hard work and patience are definitely worth it. I hope you have enjoyed this delightful journey with a delicious twist. This is absolutely amazing. It is so refreshing with many dimensions of flavors and textures, and the sauce, so good. If you like to make classic Vietnamese summer roast, check out the video right here and comment below and let me know what is your favorite summer food. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye! Would you like to watch exclusive behind-the-scenes content? Also receive early access to my written recipes and short videos. Please become a supporter. Your support helps me in creating more easy-to-follow Asian recipes. You are amazing.